class. Welcome to CIS110 and term 3. It's hard to believe that we're starting the third term, and these 8-week sessions go by so quickly. I'm really super excited for us to get started in our journey in CIS110. You're going to be learning different aspects of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. And throughout the way, we're going to talk about things like time management. How do you build your confidence to give presentations, and different aspects of how to use these applications in your personal life and in your career field. So I'm super excited for us to get started together, and everyone should jump in and post and get to know each other right away, starting on Monday morning. Welcome everyone, and I will talk to you in our threads.